doing the Tic Tac dish, you guys. So we need It's Skinny spaghetti, a block of feta cheese, some cherry tomatoes, a lot of different colors. Let's make it pretty. Garlic. We're going to use 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh basil. And so, as a chef, I don't really believe in a lot of these little TikTok videos. So I wanted to see, does it really work? And how well does it work with our It's Skinny? So I put the garlic in, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, pepper, really tossed it up, put the block right on top, roasted it for about 40 minutes, and then I mixed it all together, and it worked. Not only did it work, it was delicious. I added fresh basil, but I didn't do much more than that. Those were the ingredients. Pop those little cherry tomatoes, and then put it in a bowl. It was so good that this will now be a staple in my home. And I think you could use a lot of different cheese, but I love the feta because it's super tangy. You got to give it a try, you guys. The hardest part of this dish is putting it in the oven and waiting for it. So good.